I've been experimenting with this new AI code generator, and it's kind of blowing my mind.
Really? Wait, what's so special about it?
Well, it's called DeepSeek Coder V2, and it's revolutionizing how we write code.
No way. Okay, in what way exactly?
Yeah.
Because we've seen code generators before.
Right, but this one has 236 billion parameters, but only uses 21 billion per token. It's cutting costs by 42.5%.
So it's more efficient and cheaper to run?
Exactly. And get this, it supports 338 programming languages now.
Wow.
Up from just 86 previously.
That's incredible. So, how does it handle such a vast array of languages?
Well,
is it actually proficient in all of them?
Yeah, it's trained on a massive dataset of 6 trillion tokens, so it's pretty darn good at a lot of them.
Impressive. But can it handle larger projects? Sometimes these models struggle with context length.
Oh, absolutely. They've increased the context length from 16K to 128K tokens.
Oh.
So it can handle much larger code bases now.
That's a game changer.
It really is. And the architecture is more efficient. It's 93.3% smaller and 5.76 times faster.
Wait, how is it smaller but still has more parameters? I'm a bit confused there.
It's because of the way they've designed it. They're using something called the DeepSeek MOE framework and multi-head latent attention technology, which makes it efficient in using parameters.
So it's like they're being smarter about how they use the available resources. So even though the total parameters are huge, it doesn't have to use them all at once. Got it. So what's the real-world impact of this?
Well, developers can code faster and more efficiently. It can handle code completion, generate code, refactor legacy systems, and even correct errors in real time.
That's impressive. But how does it compare to models like GPT-4 Turbo?
Great question. It actually outperforms some closed-source models. For instance, it scored 90.2 on coding benchmarks and 94.9 on math problems, which is higher than GPT-4 Turbo in some areas.
That's amazing. No way. So, it's open source and still beating some of the big players?
Yep. And it's licensed under MIT, so it's available for commercial use.
Incredible. But are there any catches? Like, do we need supercomputers to run it?
Well, it does require decent hardware, especially for the full model. They recommend 8 GPUs with 80 GB each.
That's hefty. Yikes, that's quite a setup.
True, but they also have lighter variants with 16 billion parameters, so it's more accessible.
That's good to know. So how about integration? Does it work with existing development tools?
Absolutely. It has an API that's compatible with OpenAI, so integrating it into projects is straightforward.
Nice.
And it works with DevOps tools for smoother workflows.
Sounds like they've thought of everything.
They really have. And the cost effectiveness is a big deal. It costs 0.14 per million tokens, compared to $7.50 for ChatGPT. That's a huge saving.
Seriously? So do you think this could change the way we develop software?
I honestly do. It's like having a supercharged assistant that can handle multiple languages and large projects efficiently.
Definitely.
It could revolutionize the industry.
But aren't there concerns about over-reliance on AI for coding?
That's a fair point. While it's a powerful tool, we still need developers to guide the process and make decisions.
Right.
AI can't replace human intuition and creativity. But with tools like DeepSeek Coder V2, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Absolutely.
It's exciting.
So what's next for this technology?
Well, as it continues to improve, we might see more automation in code generation and even more efficient development cycles. Could be transformative for the industry.
It's exciting and a bit daunting at the same time.
True, but I think embracing these tools will lead to better software and faster innovation.
Yeah.
As long as we use them wisely.
Couldn't agree more. I can't wait to try it out myself.
You should. Dive in and see how it can boost your workflow.
Will do.
Thanks for the insight.